From the very beginning, this village hall was so run down, it needed so much TLC. This HS2 project and the Community Environment Fund was a real great opportunity for them.
It was dilapidated, run down, had a bad damp smell to it, it was cold, it was really uninviting, the paint was peeling off the walls and people just didn't want to use it.
Two women came for one of our soft openings and they said, it will be interesting to see what they can make out of a pig's ear. And they said, it's really, really good. They were quite amazed actually. We would never ever have embarked on this project if it hadn't been for the grant of HS2 because it needed that amount of money spent on it. So £75,000, you know, we had to go for it.
When I was looking around the hall today and I saw this renovated new building, and I know that in the past it's been used over the centuries for people, and I hope that people who come there will also be amazed as I was. It is a wonderful thing to see a new version of an old thing.
I feel a huge sense of achievement. I'm very proud of what we've done. The project has definitely been worth it. It's been really rewarding and I'm really, really pleased.